So
First
like it's middle of A and B, right?
huh?
So intersection as in the middle of A and B.
Common. Something which is coming in both.
Yeah.
Okay. So A intersection B. So first answer. This is the first one. A intersection B. What should I highlight?
Middle A.
Say it. Everybody. I want everybody to say.
Middle
Annotate on
A and B.
Yes, you can. So one by one, can we annotate?
I don't have that option.
Okay. हाँ कायरा बताओ आप बताओ मुझे
Sorry, I messed it up.
Is it? It's everywhere. So which part are you actually talking about? That's correct. So you mean this part, isn't it? This is your answer. Take it. You can remove the annotation. So this is my first answer. A intersection B. Okay. Next. Shamik.
What's the second symbol?
It's union. Union means something which is, so if you need to unite everything. If this is a circle, this is another circle. These are two sets, set A and B. So A union B would be everything in A and everything in B. Unite them. Got it? That's union symbol. Chalo, ab batao. A union C. Shamik. So you mean whole of A and whole of C? This and this, right?
Yeah.
Shamik, yes? Okay. Chalo, you can remove the annotations. Trisha, A intersection with B intersection C. A intersection with B intersection C.
Would it be that part right in the middle?
It'll be that part right in the middle. Okay, so let's understand this first. First, it says B intersection C. Mujhe batao kya hoga. I will highlight that first. Can I say B intersection C is this part?
Yes.
And what is common between A and that part? A ka kaun sa part is there? So only this much. So what am I going to highlight at the end? I will be highlighting this. Isn't that what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. This is what I highlight. That's the right answer.
Wait, what was the third question?
Third question was this. C.
What does this mean?
So the down one or
intersection and intersection. Intersection means common. Common.
So
intersection.
Intersection is down and union is like this up, right?
Union is U for union.
So
Union
basically
is
something that is in all three, right?
something that is in all three, in a way.
Yeah, so it's a center.
Yeah, it's a common part between all three of them. Yeah. Then D. D is, now Kaira, it's your turn. A union B intersection.
Intersection C.
A union B intersection C.
One second.
First, you highlight what is A union B.
This whole thing.
This whole thing is A union B. Okay, let me just mark it up. This is A union B. This whole thing. Intersection C.
So could it be this part here? Since both are intersecting.
Absolutely. So intersection C would mean what is common between that part and the C? Only this much, right? So you can remove the annotations. What am I going to highlight finally? I will be highlighting just this much, this part. Ye pura part. Am I
You
right?
don't have to highlight the red part, right?
Huh?
Do you have to highlight the red part or just the pink part?
Red part is just for us कि वो final answer ये दिखाना है. Red part is for us to understand. Shomik, ये समझ आ रहा है आपको because you were not there in the last class.
I got it.
Next is, now Trisha, it's your turn. B intersection A union C. B intersection A union C.
First, you need to shade in A and C, all of it.
A and C. Okay, so which is this? Okay, one second. It was what? A. We are doing E part, right?
Yes.
B intersection A union C. A union C would be what part do I highlight?
A and C, all of it.
All over. So full A and full C. That's A union C. And then what does it say? It says B intersection with this. B's intersection with this.
Which is the middle top, and the middle right section.
B's intersection with this, which will be the part which do you mean this? This is the part which is coming in both, in B also and A union C. So what do I highlight? This, the red part. Okay, that's my final answer. Right?
Correct.
Okay. I think we're done up till E. Whose turn now?
I think.
Mine.
Okay.
It's Shomik's turn now. Shomik, bolo.
What's the sign on B? What does that
B
mean?
complement, that means not in
Everything except B. Okay.
everything except B. So A is intersection with B complement.
Which circle do I use?
So first tell me what is B complement.
No, I meant like what block? Which one do I draw on?
Okay. So we are doing F, no? This one. Are you done, Shomik? No, that's not the right answer. Anybody else who would like to try?
The B, yeah.
Is it like all of A?
All of A, right? So see, first let's highlight what is B complement. This everything which is not in B is B complement, right? Everything, which includes full A, except the one which is coming in B part, B, right? In the set B. And then it says intersection of that with B complement. So A's intersection with B complement is this area. This area. That is an area which is coming in both. This whole thing. Right? So what do I highlight? जिस पे दोनों shades आया.
Everything of A except the center.
Right. Except the A which is coming in B. A का वो part जो B के अंदर आ रहा है वो छोड़ करके बाकी सब कुछ. Clear? You can remove the annotations. F हो गया. अब बताओ G. Now Kyra, your turn.
Yeah.
Please, it doesn't mean that if it's somebody else's turn, you will stop doing it. You all have to do these questions. Everybody has to do it. Keep it, because I might ask you, one person is not able to answer. Kyra, bolo.
Did intersect B union. Okay. So B and C.
फर्स्ट बताओ बी यूनियन सी क्या होगा, फिर उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा.
It will be these two, right? B union C.
बी यूनियन सी विल बी
So,
ओके राइट.
but at the same time,
दैट इज बी यूनियन सी. हमको तो बी यूनियन सी कॉम्प्लीमेंट चाहिए, तो क्या होना चाहिए वो.
so A technically.
इज इट ओनली ए.
Oh, it's everything but B and C.
बट बी एंड सी, तो पहले लेट्स हाईलाइट दैट.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, so you have highlighted this entire thing, isn't it? ये पूरा.
Yeah, but without the B.
Yeah. Then it says, so we have highlighted even the A part, है ना?
Yeah.
Then it says the intersection of that highlighting that you've done with A.
Are we?
So you have done B union C complement, right?
Yeah.
And that intersection with A. So what is coming in common with A of your highlighting? Only this much. ये आ रहा है ना जो आपने भी highlight किया हो, जो कि B union C complement है and is also coming in A. So this is the area, isn't it? This part. This is the answer. Got it?
But not the rest. Not all the
Not the rest. Not the rest. Not the rest. That rest was only for our shading. Final shading is this one, जो pink में है.
Okay.
Right? Trisha. So G is also done. G is understood. Trisha. H.
First, you shade in B and C, all of it.
First, I'm going to shade B union C. So everything in B and C?
Yes.
Everything in B and C. Okay. This whole thing I will shade. That is B union C. Everything here. Okay.
And then
That's
you
B.
would shade in the part that intersects with A.
Which is which part? Only this?
Yeah.
Is it only this part? Is that
Yes.
the answer?
Yeah.
Is that the answer? Absolutely correct. Let's highlight that part now more. We got it now. What needs to be done? What is the final answer? This is the final answer. Is it tough or easy?
It's easy. You just have to think.
You just have to think. Right. Next. I think H is also done. Then I. Shomik. C complement intersection A intersection B.
C from एक second, can you show that again?
दोनों को पहले अलग अलग कर लो and then देखो कि क्या पूछा जा रहा है आपसे.
See the question again.
Can you see it?
I part.
I.
So the upwards thing is intersection, right?
हाँ, U for union. So other one is always at. U for union, that looks like a U.
Yeah.
Separately करो पहले what is C complement. Then tell what is A intersection B. And then give the answer.
Oh, I did it directly. One second. I'll do it.
What is C complement?
Don't we have to do the brackets first?
That's okay. दोनों को फिर final
By the
answer.
way, so the center of, so we have A and B intersection. So the middle two,
Middle two, okay. That is
and
we
then intersection C complement. So anything that's not C.
That's
So
not C.
only the upper part then.
Then only the, so I'll just first make C complement. This is C complement. This whole thing is C complement. But the thing which is coming in intersection with C complement is just this part, this one. Isn't it? This part. So that's the answer,
Mm.
right? Okay, next whose turn? Kyra.
A union C union B complement.
A union C
Yeah.
and that with union B complement.
So yes, B complement. Is it this? I don't think it is this. Is it this also?
A union C. That is, the entire thing is A. पहले आप A union C को mark करो. Mark it in one color.
One. Sorry, miss.
Hmm.
Yes. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're saying?
You mark everything which is A union C. C.
Yeah, A union C, all of this, right?
A union C is everything. Yes. Okay. Then you do what is B complement. And then you tell me what is the intersection between the two.
B is right. This
B complement पहले बताओ क्या होगा? B complement
without B, right?
without B. Mark it in a different color.
B complement. would be this.
Okay. Now tell me what is the intersection between them.
Yeah.
It's not clear to me what you've marked.
Should I? I'll do it in blue or something. Yes, can you see it?
No. Is that a part of B complement? Think about it. जो आपने blue mark किया है, is that a part of B complement?
No. No.
नहीं ना? फिर? Because it's not coming in. It's coming in B. What you've marked. Remove it.
Oh, that way. Is it this?
No, not even that. Chalo, remove the annotations. I'll show you. Remove the annotations. Shaumik and Trisha, would you like to try this once? What should I? एक बार आप लोगों को try करना है, or should I tell the answer?
Okay.
You are supposed to do A union C. So for A union C, what I'll do, I'll mark all of this.
A and C both.
Full of A and full of C. Right? This whole thing is A union C, right? Then I'm going to mark what is B complement. I'm not bothered about the beach ka sign B. I'm going to mark what is B complement. B complement is whole of this. B complement is whole of this except the B part.
Yeah, it's the whole thing.
It's the whole thing, you know. Now it is telling everything which is coming in, which is not a part of it, everything, the whole thing. Now you have to tell what is the union of B complement and A union C. Okay. So isn't it the entire thing except B? Union
Yeah.
बताना ना. So I have to unite everything, all of this, all of this, all of this. So everything except the B. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Everything except the B.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All of
That's-
this. Unite even the part which is
But
coming
I
in B.
did that, right?
हाँ, but you have to highlight the whole thing. So क्या नहीं highlight हो रहा है? It's only this much. Only this part which is not getting highlighted.
I did it together, just that I thought you couldn't see it. That's why I did a different color.
अच्छा. अभी clear हुआ? ये clear है? Is that what? If this is what you meant, then it's fine.
Yeah, this is what I meant.
Okay. Trisha, next one. Last K. Now I want
This-
Kyra and Shamik also to do this K part, but in your notebooks. Trisha, bolo.
First, you have to color in all of A and C.
All of A and C union करना है. Okay. So A, full A and full C. That's A union C. Okay.
And then you have to color in all of B and C with a different color.
C. The all B and C, or it is B intersection C.
Oh, no. Yeah, it's intersection. So only the part where it intersects.
Only this part. Okay. Then
And then the intersection of that, which is
That-
the red part.
which is the red part only. Which is
Yeah,
iska
B
answer is B intersection
section
C.
C का.
Right? So I hope we are all clear with these symbols now. Okay. We have done quite a lot of different types of Venn diagrams. So I think इसमें अभी किसी को कोई confusion है? Any confusion? Anybody? नहीं ना? Okay. Now I'm going to do another type of question. Yeah. Now, in this one, you have to describe the kind of region it is. Okay. Like for example, suppose I say, ध्यान से देखना मेरे इसको. This is A, this is B, and this is C. A, B, and C. And suppose only this part is highlighted. So what is this part? Shaume, concentrate here. What is this part?
Is
Where
it
is it?
ABC intersection?
It is A intersection B intersection C. है ना? So it is an intersection between all three of them, isn't it? So now the Venn diagram is given to you. Description you will have to write. Earlier the description was given and you were making the Venn diagram. Now Venn diagram will be given. You are going to describe it. So tell me the first one. Kyra, start.
Oh, describe it. The first one is A union B.
Very good. Wait.
Should I continue or?
A union B. Yes. Trisha, next one.
It's, I'm not so sure.
Think. Think क्या क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे?
Is it A complement?
A complement. A complement. A complement.
No, it's not that.
आगे. A complement with something else. A complement that you said you were able to think properly. What
A
else?
complement intersection B.
Absolutely correct. A complement intersection B. Right? ठीक है? All right. Next, Shamik.
A union B brackets में and then complement.
A union B whole complement.
Brackets, complement.
Right. Very good. Kyra. D.
D is X. Wait. I know it's Y complement. Well, how do I? Is it X intersect Y complement or union Y complement?
यूनियन होगा तो y कॉम्प्लीमेंट में सब कुछ होगा तो यूनियन में वो भी आ जाना चाहिए ना.
Oh yeah. So it's X
What should
intersect
Y
Y
complement?
complement.
Intersects x. It's same as the previous diagram, B वाला diagram.
Yeah.
है ना? Clear सबको? You can describe also. शौमिक फोन छोड़ दो.
नहीं यूज कर रहा.
Okay. Next. In the Venn diagram, you remember what is cardinal number? Kyra, what was cardinal number?
Cardinal. So I don't remember cardinal.
Look at your notes. You must have written, no?
I wrote intersect, I wrote union, and I wrote the same.
I will show.
What do you
Is
put?
it number of elements?
Number of. Say it again, Trisha.
The number of numbers, like the number of
Look at the
elements.
7th point. Look at the 7th point. Kyra, look at the 7th point. What is cardinal number?
The number of elements in set A. Oh yeah.
याद आ गया?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
N is cardinal, right?
n, when you write it like this, it is cardinal number. It represents cardinal number. So Shaumik, read the question.
What is cardinal numbers?
Number of elements in a set.
As in?
As in, suppose in my Venn diagram, there are 3 things, A, B, and C. Then I will say n of set का नाम होगा x. So n of x is equal to 3. There is another set which has 1, 5, 9, 8, 4. And the set's name is A. So I'll write cardinal number of A is equal to, I'll count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements in this, so n of A is equal to 5. That's the cardinal number. Okay? That's the number of elements in that set. Clear? Now let's go to the question. Shaumik, read it.
A part.
Read the whole thing. What does it say?
In the Venn diagram, n bracket A is equal to 10, n bracket B is 13, n bracket A intersection B is equal to x, and n A union B is equal to 18. Write in terms of x the number of elements in A but not in B.
So number of elements in, so what do you think? Only if these are the elements which are coming in both A and B, and full A has this many, has 10 elements in it. So what do I write for just the part, this part I'll show you here. What do I write for this?
A is 10.
Full A is 10. जिसमें से कुछ x elements ऐसे हैं जो A में भी और B में भी हैं. So only this part can I write 10 minus x?
Yeah.
Only this part. I'm talking only about this. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Only this part. Can I say it's 10 minus x? Everyone?
Yeah.
I can say that, right? What about this one? B को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं यहाँ?
13 minus.
13 minus x.
13 minus x. And I'm talking only about this part. Only this much. Right? ये clear है हमें कि full में 13 है and x is being repeated in both. is coming in both. So x को हम separately लिखते हैं. So the rest of the part which looks like a moon, वो 10 minus x and 13 minus x हो गया, right? Now it says, so write in terms of x. For A, we have done the first part. Write in terms of x the number of elements in A but not in B. That is done. So that is 10 minus x. And write in terms of x the number of elements in B but not in A. We have done that also. That is 13 minus x. Add together the number of elements in the three parts of the diagram to obtain the equation this. Okay. Now it says A union B kitna bola usne? A union B is how much? It's cardinal number of A union B is 18, which means if you add up this,
5, 5 and 8.
this and this, all three of them, what will you get? 18?
18.
Yeah.
Because that's what union means. So 10 minus x is एक part plus x is the intersection part and 13 minus x is the part which is in the B, which is not in the intersection. That should be 18.
Equal to 18.
That should be 18. Yes, Trisha? Okay. So add up all of this and get the value of x.
23.
10
5, 5.
minus x plus 13 minus x is equal to 18. So it becomes this x and this x are getting cancelled. 10 plus 13 will become 23. 23 minus x is equal to 18. 23 minus 18 is equal to x. So x is equal to 5, right? So what did I get for my diagram? What do I get finally? That
5,
means
5, 8.
here, how many are there? That's 10 minus 5, yani 5. And here it is x is 5. And this is 13 minus 5 is 8. That's how the thing is sorted. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Is this question clear?
Yeah.
So hence find the number of elements in both. So we are done with C also and D also. Clear ho gaya humko ye? Let's do one more question. चलो इसका आंसर आप लोग मुझे करके बताओ. Do it फटाफट in the notebook. Do it quickly in the notebook. Please share your workings.
Oh, we have to solve it.
What do you think? Notebook में क्या करना है?
अरे यार, I got the answer.
Why is it taking so long?
I'm taking a picture. I'm done.
Yes, Shamik, you can exit.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll go get my phone so I can find.
Huh?
I'll just go get my phone so I can send it.